Replace your dead hanging plant with a Macrame wall tapestry. Is it grass? No. This little guy has form and function, a cactus that'll hold your pencils and paper clips. Yes, please. This cactus lamp is both cute and practical. All you need to do is flip a switch. Why not try out a completely different kind of garden? This Zen rock garden is both relaxing and plantless. Maybe all you need is a nice canvas art print of some of your prickly pals. Feeling a bit remorseful for killing your would-be friends? Cleanse your space by burning a bushel or two of dried plants as an ode to the ones you've left behind.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.